Hey everyone, this is Abhishek. Welcome to this video where I'm going to talk about Q&A from text files or maybe a lot of text file where you would get a citation in the answer that we implemented using OpenAI. Okay, so let's then get started. Okay, so for that I have already created a Git repo where you would get several uh, options to do Q&A from PDF, text, website. Anyway, today I am going to talk about the text file first. Okay, so for that you have to clone this repo. Okay, let me copy it. Okay, so in this folder I'm going to uh, clone this repo. Just a minute. Enter into that folder, then copy it, paste it, and let it come. And okay, so I guess everything has come. Okay, fine. So now what you have to do is you have to choose this folder. Okay, just this one. Okay, in this folder you would get this file already set up. Everything you can run and you can get the essence. But if you want to change, here is the text files. This is very basic things I have written, and I'm going to query from this only in this video, and this is the code. Okay, so let me go to my Jupyter notebook and let me open that folder, this one. Okay, fine. Okay, so yeah, this is the code. Okay, so here what you have to do, everything is written very clean way. As much as I can, I have made it clean. Okay, so I have divided into 7 steps. Okay, first step is like set your API key, then load text files, then load OpenAI embedding, load OpenAI LLM, then you have to create the index, then you have to create a retriever of from that index, and then boom, I'm like just query it and it would be answered. Okay, first I'm going to uh, add this API key and organization key kind of. So you would get it from OpenAI website. You have to get it some free you would get, and after that it will be charged. Okay, so let me copy it. Okay, so I have already set up the API key. Let's come to the load text files. So as I shown you already, I have 3 text files. All are going to load by directory loader. I'm going to use that only because it's a text file, so nothing to worry. uh, Sorry, run it. This one, okay, so this is loaded. You can see all the things are here. You can check the like how many things are there, kind of. uh, Here this is, you can see like the source is history of computers text, like, and all the text is there. So it's very straightforward. I'm not wasting any time here. So after that you have to we have to load. Let me make it minimize. Yeah, the next step is like load OpenAI embedding. It's also straightforward, kind of nothing to do. uh, okay, and then we are going to load the OpenAI LLM. So there, what is let me tell you one thing. What is embedding? Like embedding we are using, this is two different thing. Okay, you can use your own model for embedding, and you can use OpenAI for LLM. Vice versa, you can use embedding with OpenAI, and you can use your own custom LLM for what say, for inference kind of. Okay, to answer the questions. Okay, so now this is done. You have to load these two things. Straightforward. Then what you have to do, you have to create an index. Okay, so I'm using chroma db for that. So this is also straightforward, but let me explain while it's running. So kind of we have to create a vector store. Why we are creating that? Let's say we are going to use thousand of text files. Here only three, right? But maybe for your use case, maybe you are using thousand of text files. So in OpenAI, we have a constant, like we cannot send, so I mean all our data. So this vector store we are using because we want to first search with embeddings, then we would come to the correct files where the embeddings are matching with our question, and that uh, what's it that chunk of text would be sent to OpenAI, and we are getting the answer. So search is happening with this vector store. I mean, like that's why we are getting the index, and with embedding, it's searching with embedding, and we are with this one. Let me come to here. Okay, so while we are retrieving, so we are what we are doing, like here in this QA, what is happening, first the retriever would run, then the LLM would run. So what I am going to what I'm trying to say actually, like this DB is only we are creating to get to the exact file, like where our question is most related to, I mean, like for with which text, and that text we would use, and the content of that text we would pass to the LLM, and the LLM would convert that answer in a, what say, a kind of human kind of nature, like the LLM would try to answer properly with that. It would not pass the whole text, it would pass the actual answer from that text. So let me I have already run it, so let me then create the retriever. So already I told, first it would run this one, then this one, and then it would answer. So now coming to the query of chain, like as I said, this what is Jupyter and Saturn. Okay, so how it would be run. So let me run it first. Okay, some new line, and let me run it. It would come the, I mean, see. Okay, so this is the answer, but you if I open it, let me open it, then I can explain it properly. So it's a big text. So here what we can do, we can use this what say uh, chroma db to get to this whole text, but we want an exact answer. To get that exact answer, we are using LLM. So that's the difference why we are using what for. Okay, so yeah, so it's totally answering like what is this, I mean, like, I don't know what is writing, giant guess. Okay, fine, yeah, correct answer. Maybe it is taking from here only. Okay, where it is, you can check, I mean, like, it is obviously give yeah, this gas giant. Okay, so that's why it is proper. Anyway, so that is one thing. And let me answer a question on another thing, like what happened in 2006. I don't know, this would be answered from which file. 2006. Okay, so 2006 something, I'm like, yeah, okay, Pluto was declared anyway. So that is being answered. So here also we are not getting the whole text. Okay, we are getting only the portion of the text where the question is asked for. Okay, so that's it in this video. I mean, like, nothing to say much. Only thing here to understand why we are using uh, first of all embedding, why we are using for contextual search, why we are using LLM to generate the answer, and why we are using indexing to search to the to do the exact search. That's it, I mean, like, to create a indexing, and so that the search would be what's it properly uh, find out the exact file. So that's it from this video, and in the next video I'm going to show how to use your own LLM to do the same thing so that you can use any of your choice. Something like sometimes you may not wanted to use OpenAI because it's cost, right? You can use your own LLM, and you can fine tune your own LLM also. If you have some sensitive data, you must have to go to let's say custom model. Okay, yeah, that's it in this video, and link of this video you would get in the description below. And if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I would try to answer that as soon as possible. And if you like this video, subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thanks. Bye bye.